Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Paul Rogers again, and it's all about that house, right? We're looking for a house for you. So I want to give you a little bit of information about myself and why I think it's important to hire a real estate agent as in myself. And so I'm going to give you my background. I'm going to give you a little vitae, tell you a little bit about where I've been, what I'm doing for folks. But first off, I want to tell you I'm a United States Navy veteran, honorably discharged, and after I got out of the Navy, I had a few other jobs, worked for the Department of Justice for a little while, and then I got into contracting. I've been a general contractor. I was a general contractor for 14 years. I actually did the 1992 Kitchen of the Year in Seattle, the Remodeling Excellence Award. Then I spent about 3 years in construction lending, and I specialize in renovation construction. And that's all I did for about 3 years. And then I started my own home inspection renovation consulting business. For 30 years I've done that. I've done well over 15,000 regular home inspections. I've done over 2,000 renovation type projects, managed those. Naturally, I'm a Washington State licensed home and pest inspector. I'm a HUD FHA construction consultant. I'm a construction compliance inspector. I have a master's certification in building sciences, which includes my master's in indoor air quality, mold assessment and testing. I'm a level 3 infrared camera thermographer. That's as high as you go on the levels of certifications. I wrote the only curriculum to teach infrared for 32 continuing education clock hour class. I was a home energy auditor. I am a former member of the Washington State Home Inspector Advisory Board, and I was featured on ABC News here in Seattle multiple times with a reporter. We did a house investigative flipping series together. So you say, well, what are you doing in real estate? Well, I've been in real estate the same period of time that I've had all these other credentials and the way I built my business. And so over the years, on the flip side of it is having a real estate license now for well over 30 years. I've actually helped people buy and sell properties, and the people that have helped to sell their properties and to buy properties, I've talked to them about using renovation loans. So as a real estate agent, I have a very unique talent to help you. And by helping you, what I mean is I can readily identify things when we walk into a house that may need to be done or could come up on an inspection, or maybe you're thinking about doing a home purchase improvement loan, with the renovation loan. I can tell you exactly how to do that. So yes, I have a lot of things in my vitae and my background that I've done, but I've also been in the real estate business helping people buy and sell, and myself as well. I've purchased homes and flipped them. I've been down that road as well. So if you're looking to do some things like that, whether you're looking to become an investor to buy and sell and flip, or whether you're looking to sell your house, you may need a little bit of work, and or we're going to go out and try to help you find a new house. And again, that new house may need a little bit of work too. I'm not talking about type of work that, oh my God, it needs $100,000 worth of work. Again, I'm talking about sometimes some of these loans or some of these houses, probably over 90% of the houses we're going to see, probably you're going to want to do something to upgrade that house. Okay? Why pull that? Why put that on a 29% credit card, 29.99%? Why put that on a credit card when you can put it in with your mortgage payment? And if you think about what $20,000 or $30,000 extra is on a mortgage payment, think about what that would be on a 29.99% credit card. The numbers are extremely different. So as we go through these series, I'm going to be giving you more and more information. I'm going to walk you through all the steps. I'm going to go through this in a very systematic approach. I'm going to talk to people that are looking to buy a house, and I'm also going to talk to people who are looking to sell a house, and investors and flippers, those types of people as well. We're going to talk about single family residences, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes. But therefore, keep in mind, as a real estate agent representing you, what's best for your interest is best for everybody, right? So meaning this, if I can help you put a purchase together on a house that needs a little bit of work, new carpets, new roof, new paint, maybe some new appliances, HVAC systems, heating, cooling, electrical. If we find these situations, don't settle for like, oh my God, I got to settle for this because this is the only thing that we could do. Let me help you. Again, I work the numbers in reverse. If for a house And for example, we find a house, I want to look a little bit less than what you're actually pre-qualified for. If I can back that number out, that means I have more money. You'll have more money to put into the renovation portion of the house. So again, if you're looking for a real estate agent who has your best interest in mind to kind of give you a broad spectrum of talents and skill sets to bring to the table to help you to purchase a house, like us, give us a call, look at us on the web, all those types of things. Get in touch with me, and I'll be glad to go through all these types of things with you. But if you like what you're hearing right now, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more videos and a lot more tutorials coming up to kind of give you a little bit more education about how to go out and purchase a house using a home improvement equity loan. Call it the rehab loan, but let's just call it the home equity purchase loan. So looking forward to talking to you a little bit more. Again, give us a like, and we'll be right back.